All right, guys, welcome back to another video. So, in today's episode, we're gonna be replacing the airbags, the steering wheel airbag, and the airbag, and the current airbag. I want to remove these seat belts because this one's blown. Pull the seats out so it's easier to work with the car, inside the car. And we're actually gonna be changing the color on these. So yeah, let's get into the video. All right, guys, so we finally replaced knee airbag. I'm gonna jump on replacing, well, the steering wheel airbag is already pulled off. I actually got the new one right here. Let me see if I can do this. Boom. Look at that. Finally got the steering wheel airbag in. Looks real good. I'm happy. Coming together. I'm gonna jump on doing the current airbag right now. Finally, I have access to remove this airbag. Man, all these clips are a pain to remove. Well, I finally lowered the headliner down. I could now have access to remove this airbag and install a new one. Okay, so finally moving on and taking apart this airbag. These metal clips right here are a pain to remove, but now I'm gonna be drilling out those rivets right there. And here, and there's one more in the back, and then we could install the new airbag. On to installing the new airbag. Finally in. Finally, it's completely installed. I mean, roof's in, everything seems to be okay. Now, I'm gonna be working on removing these seat belts because that one needs to get fixed, and I'm gonna change the color on them. Finally, the seat belts are out from both sides. There's one, the other one's right there. I'm gonna have this one get rebuilt, and then we're gonna be changing the color on them. So hopefully soon you guys will see that. Yeah, other than that, the frame, it's not completely pulled. I gotta take it back to him. I just bought the headlight. So once I get the headlight, I'm gonna take it back. He's gonna get it aligned completely, and after that, we could start, assembling the radiators and finishing up the car. Okay, since I got all the airbags in, I actually want to connect the battery. Hopefully the airbags don't blow. Again, you want to hold it for me?
Yeah, I'm experimenting.
While I connect the battery. Yeah, well. Oh boy. Here goes nothing. Good.
Nothing happened?
Oh, okay, I got my ears closed up, everything. Okay, let's see if the horn works. Good. Yes, nice.
Good.
Okay, guys. So as you seen in the video, we replaced the airbags. Finally, I'm happy. We got the interior all mostly done. I got the seatbelt. I'm gonna get it fixed, and we're gonna be changing the color on them. So hopefully next video, I'll be lowering the car and maybe putting the wheels on the car. I'm waiting for the tires, so stay tuned. Shout out to my boy Vichok. Hooked me up with some headlights, clean condition, and a reservoir, and the line, and a fender liner. So yeah, this the boy.
What up, what up?